Determining your profitability on your Amazon business is essential for you able to grow and make money. Of course, we're in business to make money, and so many people get started and they don't understand how to thoroughly determine profitability of their product and their business. So I want to talk about both sides of that. First and foremost, when determining the profitability of your product, you want to look at the entire aspect of the business. So you have COG, or cost of goods, which is the cost for you to manufacture and develop your actual product. And then you have total cost of goods, which incorporates your actual logistics. So in order to find out the total cost of goods shipped, what you want to do is you want to identify how much your cost of goods are, and you want to identify how much your shipping is. Now, if you're going through your actual supplier or manufacturer doing DDP shipping, or you're having them handle the shipping, then you want to ask for a shipping quote for the product. So if your product costs $1 and your shipping cost costs $1, I'm just giving you random numbers, then your total cost of goods shipped is $2. That's just total cost of goods shipped. That is not your total actual product cost, because now we have fees once the product lands. So once the product lands, we have FBA fees, which are going to take up a majority of your expenses on the landed side. And you also have your advertising costs. Now, advertising costs fluctuates, so you want to run this on your P&L and on your business side, right? Your business side of expenses. But what we do want to do is we want to utilize the FBA calculator, which you can Google Amazon FBA calculator, or if you're using a tool like AMZ Hunter, we actually have one built in, which is an FBA calculator where you can put in the cost of your product landed, and Amazon, it will actually work with Amazon to find out and identify the rest of the fees. That will give you a total accurate number in reference to how much Amazon's going to charge to store your product, pick, pack it, ship it, handle customer returns, and everything that's associated with an FBA fee. Once you identify the total cost of goods shipped, which is, again, production of your product, shipping of your product, and then your landed cost, which is going to be your FBA fees, now you know a total cost that it costs for you to make your product and sell your product. What you want to do is you want to subtract what your retail price is from your total cost of goods, and that's going to tell you your net number. And that's how you can identify your margin, by looking at your net number, your net price of the product compared to what you're selling it to, and that's how you can identify your profit margin. Now, the FBA calculator will also show you a margin percentage or a profit margin percentage. Regardless if you're using the one that Amazon has or you're using one in AMZ Hunter, it will also show you that. Now, if you've watched in previous videos or you're a client of ours, you know that your bare minimum profit margin should be 30%. 30% is very conservative and is the bottom of the road for us. If you're at 33%, every 3 products you sell, you double your income, you double your profit, right? You double your money. So we want to be at a bare minimum of 33%. I personally like to aim for around 50%. So many people focus on trying to increase the margin on the front end. And you guys, if you know anything about me, you know that amateurs monetize the front, experts monetize the back. We don't drive the margin up on the beginning with manufacturing, with logistics. We drive it on the back end. And that's why I'm always talking about WWAD, which stands for what would Apple do? PPC is basically measured in ACOS, or ACOS percentage, which is average cost of sale. So when we know our net on our product and our total cost on our product, we subtract the two, we come up with that total net. All that's left is the average cost of sale. If your average cost of sale is 30% and your margin is 30%, you broke even on the sale of that product or the acquisition of your new customer. But remember, sometimes it's good to break even because you're bringing on new customers that are going to sign up for subscribe and save, going to refer your product, or continue to purchase your product. But if your margin's 50% and your ACOS is 30%, then you made the difference, which is 20%. So it's very important that you understand this so you can thoroughly understand the metrics and the finances of your Amazon business. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100 plus videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.